what's up guys? So if you have a Samsung front load washer just like this, you have a little filter right in the bottom. Show you guys how to get to it. So if you have this washer right here, so the way you do it, you have a little cover right in the bottom. Make sure you do this about once every 2 months basically. So you have a little compartment right here, so you take this out. So basically you push it in and it comes out, and it has a hose. You can see the hose right here. So that hose you would drain out somewhere. I'm gonna put it in my paint container. So you come, you take this off right here. Very hard, like it's new. Okay, you let it drain. You can see there. Before you take your filter out. Okay, so once drained, put your cover back in. Let's go back to the top, just like that. Twist your filter. Okay, switch your filter. Slide it out. See here, a lot of debris. Look at this. Okay, you make sure it's all clean. Clean this filter out with warm water. Okay, so once it's all clean, you can buy these. In the description there will be a link of where to buy. Otherwise you'll clean it out. Still pretty good. I do have a little bit right there, corrosion, but should be fine. Put it back in. Okay, so that is in. That is all done. About 2 months later, I'll do it again. Seal it, and you're good to go.